Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S getting here with another reaction. Today, I know we're there. And today, guys, we're here with Legend Milli. Legend Milli with a song called Poverty is Sin. Poverty is sin. We know that. We don't like that. We're born poor. We're not dead poor. We are also because we get the same 24 hours in a day. So I could jump in there and hear what the G has say. I could jump in there and hear what the G has say. Alright, let's go.
Yo, shine the down.
Yeah.
1 million.
Eviction notice. Jaja Wagwan. So need to move out today. It rough.
Yo, shine the down. 1 million.
It rough, me G.
Protect my life, oh Jah.
So how this now? Him and him little brother. The guy, him and him little brother, this just pull up at the house and they say your eviction. Like I'll change. Cheese.
Protect my life, oh Jah.
Yeah.
Them want to kill me, oh yeah.
Yeah.
Me get a chance, me nah go all back. Them attack me, don't chat you down, na straight cash.
One thing though, always I got have a little brother side. I have him back, you know. I have him side. Always I got my little brother side. No matter what the troubles and tribulation that we have got through, don't know. We have to stick together as two G and know say yo, they are fair, you see me? So I must say, yo, them try to kill him or Obia. So whether gunshot, knife stab, Obia, anything that them a try use it now go work. Cause hear what? Me there ask Jah to protect my life. I know say Jah are the greatest. You understand me? Yeah.
Protect my life, oh Jah.
Yeah.
Them want to kill me, oh yeah.
Yeah.
Me get a chance, me nah go all back. Them attack me, don't chat you down, na straight cash. Protect my life, oh Jah.
Yeah.
Them want to kill me, oh yeah. Me get a chance, me nah go all back. Them attack me, don't chat you down, na straight cash.
Them attack me nah go. What say? Them attack. What say?
Protect my life, oh Jah.
Yeah.
Them want to kill me, oh yeah. Me get a chance, me nah go all back. Them attack me, don't chat you down, na straight cash.
Them want to kill me, Obia. That's a ring with me. Them attack, me don't chat. When me hear them a give it all this, me not say nothing in brother. Cause you don't know say man out here, so I look it figure cook it.
Protect my life, oh Jah.
Yeah.
Them want to kill me, oh yeah. Me get a chance, me nah go all back. Them attack me, don't chat you down, na straight cash.
Only need one chance. Me not hold back when me get that chance, you know. Me not hold back when me get that chance. Just the one chance me need and watch what me gonna do with it when me get it. Just watch.
Money pan money, that me a talk, but the killer them out. Versing on the road, where mansion them.
That me a talk about. Money pan money. That me a talk about. Don't call me phone if you not talk about no money, no brother. Me not talk people business. No.
Them attack me, don't chat you down, na straight cash.
Yeah.
Money pan money, that me a talk, but the killer them out. Versing on the road, where mansion them rated that a more cash.
Smart. He's thinking smart. Buy a mansion and rent it. That is income. That is a form of income. That is a form of money coming in. Yeah. Money are found in. So buy a mansion and rent it out. Yes, might want to live in it. But we don't have one living already. So here I'm gonna buy our next one and rent it out. Yeah. Make that rent money they pay me back for the house I just buy. That me I talk about. Yes. Passive income.
Let them out, versing on the road.
Let me ask you something though, Milli, that girl there. If I know you're a girl, I beg her, please. There's some more on that. Girl thick. Girl thick like she drink cement soup. And she beautiful too. Melanin.
Money pan money, that me a talk, but the killer them out. Versing on the road, where mansion them rated that a more cash. Dog fuck mocha, poverty a sin, so we not take program this.
Mocha fuck you. Poverty a sin. Poverty a sin. Know that. Yeah. Poverty is a sin for real.
Take that a more cash, dog fuck mocha. Poverty a sin, so we not take program. This a woman mean to the top in the scheme. Be a girl on the beach side, me love a melanin system.
You're a girl on the beach side, me love your melanin. You know it. We just mentioned melanin. You know what a coincidence. Girl tattoo they look good though. I watched up on her arm, one skull with a rose. She a pretty little devil. Me no business, me chancey.
Me mean to the top in the scheme. Be a girl on the beach side, me love a melanin system corrupt, so me have a evil heart. When me run your baby girl, it's like me don't know where evil gone.
System corrupt, but me have a evil heart. When me there on your baby girl, me don't know where evil gone. You turn my life. Every time I'm around you, I feel safe, I feel secure. Now I'm nothing to worry about. But you see, when me out there by myself, me corrupt, because me have to be corrupt. Me fuck up, my mind mental. System do that.
Yeah. System corrupt, so me have a evil heart. When me run your baby girl, it's like me don't know where evil
gone.
Where some liquor for me dad, them can't believe, see a gun. Elevate cause life I start, money pray and pray. Work hard, we a go feast. Jar people at the streets. Yo grim, we have to win. Protect my life, oh Jah. Them want to kill me, yo, yeah. Me get a chance, me nah go all back. Them attack me, don't chat, yo, that not straight cash.
Protect my life, oh Jah. Them want to kill me, yo, yeah. Oi.
Me get a chance, me nah go all back. Them attack me, don't chat, yo, that not straight cash. Yeah. 1 million. Yo, Shani Dad. Yo, Grim, yo, Jimbo, yo, Ghost. Yo, Dougie.
As me get into the song done, brother. As me get into the bomber class song, the song done, brother. One verse we get. Where the next verse there? Where the next verse there? Richard Milli. Don't give it a shot, brother. When the song gets sweet in the dog, the second chorus, brother. After you sing the first chorus and say, protect me life, oh Jah. Then you sing the first verse, then you drop in the second chorus again. That's how the song I get a bubble and I get nice in it, brother. And then me see thing come up on screen, the song done. Brother, we need a second. We are do to me, dog. Eh? We do me, dog. We need a second verse, bro. You spend so much money for shooting video and get nice video girl and thing and have a story behind the thing. Me a wait for see. Yeah, your little brother make it and there's something now in our bigger house, now a nicer house, now and know say, yo, a phone key, you know, push. The landlord can't evict you, know, dog. Adapt me wait pan now. Hey, Chad, legend, man, not in the head, man. Fuck around, man. But yeah, song nice though, bro. The song nice, but to me, the song just a bit short. It's too short. We need more. The song nice, but the song short, very short. We should be getting at least the next minute out of that song, yeah. At least the next minute out of that song, yeah, bro. You see me? But yeah, big up yourself, though, G. Big up yourself. Production team, do better next time. That we are talking about. No, let me talk about the girl now. Legend, what going for the girl? I don't care if she have a man in my youth. That me talk about, brother, 2 wing better than 1. She ever get to sit down on it like chair, ask her for me. That me want to talk about. Yeah. Tell her for message, tell her for DM me. See me Instagram at Jamaica_gamer. DM me. Yeah. Can fly now. I have passport, me can fly, man. Yeah, man. Tell her do the right thing. You see me? You don't know. You can eat that, you know. Yeah, man, me know. Anyway, this is how I'm going to leave the one still G. If guys, if you enjoy the one and want to see more, remember, I'm going to leave a link to the channel in pinned in the comment section. Make sure you go over there, go give him a follow. And tell him what you think about the song as well. I think the song was too short. Let me know what you guys think about the song. Anyway, this is what I'm going to say. If you enjoy the one and want to see more, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new. Yeah. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.